Vivek is, I think he should be here shortly.
I think Preeti's joined.
तुमने वो साक्षी की देखी है पिक्चर जो उसने भेजी है?
Very nice. Oh, is that Satish or is that Sandeep? I think it is Satish we are hearing. Alka, is that you? Hi, Alka.
Ma'am, allow me to introduce
Pratham Sharma is to join also.
Hanji, we will wait. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, Pragyan and Vivek.
Hanji, we are waiting for them, ma'am.
Yeah.
We're waiting for them. So I thought in the meanwhile, I'll introduce you to the Rotarians who are present here.
Yeah.
So we have the ones I can see at the top. I mean, everybody has a different shape.
Jain is here.
So when I say the name, please say hello
Yes.
to ma'am. We have with us
I
Anita
can see their
Bhardwaj.
faces actually here.
We have with us Anita Bhardwaji, Rotarian Anita Bhardwaj.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Anita Bhardwaj.
Yeah. Myself say, yes.
Our principal ma'am, Madam Sneh Verma.
Sneh Verma.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
So, probably Anita ji has not met you, ma'am, because
I think
she
there is a lag in the
2-3 installation.
audio.
I know. I was a past president, I think, but we have not met.
Yeah, we have not met. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Then we have Joint Secretary Rotarian.
Principal ma'am, we have seen you. I think we have seen you last time when we came. So,
I have.
good evening to you, Principal ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I can't see. You are talking? Who is talking? Alka?
I'm Deepika.
Yeah.
Deepika from Rotary Club. We
Yeah,
have
yeah,
met
yeah.
last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, pleasure seeing you again.
Me too. Yeah, next.
Then we
I can
have Rotarian J.K. Jain. Sir is waving, ma'am. Jitendra Jain is the.
Yeah, I have.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, JK.
Hi.
So I think we
Good
have
evening. Good
Welcome
evening.
to be.
Rotarian
evening, sir.
Puri.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening. Good evening.
We have with us Rotarian Annie Sylvia Soni.
Hello, here. How
Hello,
are you?
hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Then
Good
we
afternoon, everyone.
Good evening.
Oh,
Good
how are
evening.
you?
Nice to
Good
see you all.
evening. Good evening, sir.
We have Vivek here now.
Good evening. Okay.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Waiting for you, sir.
Sorry, I had a bit of a
It's
technical
all
glitch,
right. It's
but
all right.
sometimes it takes longer to get to one's
Yeah,
desk
yeah,
at
yeah.
home
We can
than it takes
understand.
to get to a physical location.
Just like traffic.
Please
You said it.
traffic here also.
Yeah, traffic here also. Yeah.
So, Rajesh, we are waiting for Pragyan sir also. We have with us Manju Kapoor ma'am. She is in
Kapoor
charge.
has joined.
Ma'am has just.
Yashu has also joined.
Okay.
Yeah. She,
Also, we have with us Ms. Vishnu Kumar. She is also in charge. in our
Tanu Priya, Mrs. Tanu Priya is also a Rotarian.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
hello.
yes.
Very much so,
Yeah.
and involved with youth services.
Yeah. Okay, good.
I see from our club, Deepa, Tanu, why have I lost? Anita, of course. Sylvia, lovely. Who else? Mr. Jain, Mr. J.K. Jain. I think that's, I have another screen, do I?
Yeah. But none of us are there. I don't think many of us are there.
We
Well, I see a lot of people hiding behind their screens. I know Alka Kora is on, it looks like. Alka, you're hiding behind your screen.
Yeah.
Even Pragyan Sharma is hiding behind the screen.
Again, you can't afford to hide. You're a public personality. Where are you?
Absolutely.
Pragyan,
Very joy.
it won't work this year.
Hello. Good evening. Can we start now, Seema?
And I see a lot of distinguished distinguished hosts, I should say, from KHMS.
Yeah.
Hello, hello, good
Hello,
evening.
hello. Good evening, everybody.
Vivek sir, can we begin?
Good evening, ma'am.
We are in your hands. This is your function.
We were waiting for Secretary Sir, Mr. Pragyan Sharma. So in case
I have just joined. I have joined.
Okay,
Thank you, Seema ji.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Pragyan, do you plan to
Very
show
warm
yourself
welcome.
or not?
A very warm
Yeah.
welcome to you also. So I think
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So we can begin with a formal welcome. Good evening and greetings from Kulachi Hansraj Model School. I, Seema Lal, coordinator, Kulachi Interact Club, along with my fellow coordinators, Ms. Ritu and Ms. Sandesha, welcome you all. I also welcome our Madam Principal, Madam Sneh Verma, our in-charges, Ms. Manju Kapoor, Ms. Manisha Sharma, Ms. Yashu Kumar, and Ms. Rashmi Katori. I extend a warm welcome to the Secretary of Delhi Garden City, Rotarian Pragyan Sharma, and Rotarian Vivek Kataria, Youth Committee Chair, and other dignitaries of Delhi Garden City. As you know, we all have gathered here for the installation ceremony of the new Interact Team 2020. It is indeed a very special and a unique installation, as for the first time in history, it is happening virtually. Initially, it appeared to be a challenge, and I was kind of finding it difficult also, but it is said, challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Believe me, conducting it virtually has opened many new and interesting possible ways to reach out to the community. Our cabinet has rendered many ideas which would make a lot of projects virtually possible. To begin with the ceremony, I hand over the mic to Ritu ma'am. Ritu ma'am, please.
Hello,
Hello, Amrita.
hello, hello, good evening, everyone.
Welcome.
Amrit Jingraja,
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
Amrit. Good to see you.
very good to see you.
Amrit Dhingra ji is a very senior Rotarian with us. She has been with us since so many years, and she was actively involved when Sunita Seni ma'am was there with us.
Is she there?
No, ma'am, she's not here today. She is retired.
Acha, acha.
So ma'am has inspired many interactors over the years. So welcome, Amrita ji.
Thank you.
Our principal, ma'am, Madam Sneh Verma is here.
Good evening, ma'am.
And
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Mr.
welcome, Sandeep sir.
Thank you, Seema. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you. Ritu ma'am, can we begin?
Yeah, sure. So, good evening, everybody. Good evening, Amrita ma'am. Welcome to have such a senior person with us, such a blessing for us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. Well, according to Indian tradition, no ceremony begins without invoking the blessings of the Almighty. So here we light the holy lamp of knowledge.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
So after receiving the blessings of our Almighty, our gods and goddesses shower us with your blessings, we have our student Dhairya Dhingra who will render the holy Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि यो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Thank you, Dhairya, for that rendition. I feel very proud that our rich tradition not only has beautiful mantras, beautiful songs, shlokas, but also different art forms such as dance in honor of our gods and goddesses. So here are our students who are offering a obeisance to Lord Ganesha and Ma Saraswati. Thank you, students. Now, with the blessings of God Almighty, we now proceed with our function. Over to you, Seema.
Thank you, Riddhiman. I would like to tell that all these interactors performed at home, recorded, and then these videos were sent to us, and this is how we are showcasing them. So this is what I said. Papa. This is what I said, that when you are presenting things virtually, a lot of new ways, new techniques to reach out people we did learn and we did come to know about. Every year, one energetic team makes their earnest efforts to prove themselves and raise the bar for the next team. Now, I would like to call Ananya Birdi, our outgoing, dynamic, sincere, and energetic outgoing president, to showcase the work done by her and her team in the session 2019-2020. Ananya, please take over and screen your presentation.
Sure. A very good evening to everyone present here. I hope all of you are healthy and safe. I'm Ananya Virdi, the president of Kolachi Interact Club for the session 2019-20. To begin my address, I'd like to briefly highlight the events that our club has undertaken in the past year. The first event we organized was the 10th annual extempore debate competition on the 30th of July 2019 at the India International Center. Conceived to bring out the best debating talent in the youth, the event attracted a total of 16 of the best schools from Delhi NCR. It turned out to be a huge success. Next, on 13th August 2019, we conducted the installation ceremony. The outgoing cabinet passed on their positions to the incoming one and was presented with certificates, while the incoming one was decorated with badges. In August, the students of Kolachi Manovikas Kendra made Rakhis on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, and interactors took the initiative of selling those Rakhis to students and raising funds. For World Mental Health Day on 10th October 2019, interactors participated in the school assembly and rally enthusiastically to break the stigma related to mental health. On 16th October 2019, all 51 interactors headed to Talkatora Stadium for Umang, District Interact Leadership Assembly. Our club displayed the various projects it had undertaken in the past year, and interactors even presented a dance performance on mental health. Then the entire team visited New Asha Special School at Palam Village, Dwarka on the 23rd of October. Having spent days and days collecting donations in the form of stationery and toys from our schoolmates, we were immensely eager to meet the children at the special school and shower them with gifts. The children had crafted beautiful candles and diyas for the auspicious occasion of Diwali and had exhibited the best of their creativity. Our hearts were full of joy after meeting the lovely kids there. In December, we started gearing up for the blood donation camp. Like every year, we conducted an awareness rally around the school neighborhood 2 days prior to the actual event to spread the message, Rakt Daan Mahadaan. We set up the blood donation camp on 7th December 2019 with the Liver Care Foundation. Apart from blood collection and organ donation registrations, free of charge medical checkups were conducted too. The event was a massive success as we collected 37 units of blood. Well, what a year we've had. I cannot articulate how amazing my experience as an interactor has been. Every event that we've undertaken has taught me one thing or the other. Most importantly, having worked with a team of over 50 people, I've become a more patient and cooperative person than I was a year ago. My heart refuses to accept that my time with Interact is over. But as they say, once an interactor, always an interactor. I promise that I'll take all that I've learned here forward with me and continue to work for our community at college level too. Lastly, I wish to express my gratitude towards some people without whom I wouldn't be here. Firstly, to the school, principal ma'am, and to our parent club, Rotary Club of Delhi City. Had it not been for them, I wouldn't have had this opportunity in the first place. Secondly, to our teacher in charges, Seema ma'am, Ritu ma'am, and Sundisha ma'am, thank you for your immense faith and support, and I hope I fulfilled your expectations. And last but not the least, to my team, each one of you, I value you more than you know, and none of this would have been possible without your hard work. It was my pleasure to be the president of Kolachi Interact Club. With this, I sign off. Thank you.
Mike, Seema, Mike.
Thank you, Ananya. You would always be remembered for your wonderful yes ma'am, sure ma'am. Every time we would give her the work, she would never say no, she would never get perturbed, and she would relentlessly do the work. So we wish you all the best for your future. Hope you carry on the tradition, once a Rotarian, always a Rotarian.
Thank you.
So in here, I would like to inform everybody that our school has many pass outs who were interactors in the school and who have started their Rotaract clubs in the institutions where they have gone.
Well done.
So they are continuing as Rotary members, and some of them are married also. I mean, obviously they have become Rotarians now. So such is the influence of the club, and everybody takes a lot of interest in this social service community club. So now, to carry on with the event, I would request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, our source of inspiration, under Ma'am's able guidance and with her support, Interact Club functions smoothly. Ma'am, please take the mic and bless the interactors as well as give us the words of wisdom.
Krishna, a Purna Yogi, an epitome of consciousness, the one who achieved it all in one lifetime, the one who defined fresh frontiers of life in each role that he played. A son everyone craves for, a friend who you seek, a lover that you need, a king you can become, a strategist who always wins, a brother, a citizen, and a masters of master, the one who mastered the science of attaining divinity and living it, not just with eyes closed, but with eyes open. The one who lived amongst us as one of us, the one who taught us that brings divine is a possibility. An exploration, any less is mediocrity. Unlock the divinity in you. Let the Krishna be born today. Happy Janmashtami to everyone present here. Happy Janmashtami once again. Good evening and warm welcome to the installation ceremony of Interact Club 2020-21. I welcome the esteemed Rotarians, distinguished guests of Delhi Garden City. It is a matter of pride to welcome Rotarian Vivek Kataria. Sir is a known personality in the Kolachi fraternity. He has been the president of the club 2015-16, actively involved in many projects, especially with the annual debate that we host. Sir has always cheered the finals of debating competition. He himself is an excellent orator and well known for his meticulous planning and punctuality, a source of inspiration for interactors. Welcome you, sir. I also welcome Mr. Pragyan Sharma, the secretary of the club, and other Rotarians also. The school has been associated with Rotarian Club for more than 25 years, enriching years. The school has taken up numerous projects which serve to benefit the needy and underprivileged. Under the aegis of Rotary Club Delhi Garden City, we have taken up blood and organ donation camps and rallies, donated rations and other essential materials to inmates of Balgram, old age homes, new Asha special homes, along with the several other projects like hosting the extemporary debate competition and many more. Our interactors have been recognized for their worthy contribution. We received the presidential citation and students have been allocated several posts of responsibilities for District 3011. This year too, I am certain that our students shall make useful contribution. The theme of the year, connecting the virtual world with social reality, is indeed very relevant in times of the pandemic. We would be happy to participate and take up the initiative for various projects that have been shortlisted, which include peer tutoring and mentoring, learning with technology. We will consider it a privilege to work to improve the environment, and be a part of webinars for health enhancement and as well as cleanliness and sanitation. My best wishes to the incoming team headed by Vijeta Panjwani as President of the Year 2020-2021, Vice President Rohit Sharma, Secretary Pranav, and Joint Secretary Vibhuti. Always remember, if your actions inspires others to dream more, learn more to do more, and become more, then you are a leader. Once again, I thank the esteemed members of Rotary Club and guests for joining us. We look forward to an enriching year ahead. I am sure that we shall together face the challenges and will be strong, will rise above stronger, bolder and wiser. Now I would like to announce the names of the best interactors for the year 2019-20. Hitarth Mahajan is and Rishi Raj Gautam. Please clap for them. For a few seconds, you can unmute yourself, students. Please clap for Hitarth and Rishi Raj. So congratulations, both of you. So thank you very much. I welcome once again to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of wisdom and the faith you have in us. It is under your able guidance and with your motivation and inspiration, we have been undertaking many projects. And this year also, ma'am was very insistent that we must have the installation within the first week or within first 10 days of August. So, ma'am, here we are under your guidance. I assure that a banner of Interact Club will always be higher than the previous years. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Seema.
And as far as the best interactors are concerned, ma'am has already announced the name. Congratulations to Hitarth and Rishi Raj Gautam. These two interactors have worked relentlessly. They never questioned and performed every task which was assigned to them with utmost sincerity and dedication. So once again, congratulations to both of you. And now the merit belongs to the beginner. Should his successors do even better? So it is time to announce the successors. Time for the main event of the day, the exchange of caller. As it's a virtual installation, so it is, we would just imagine that the callers are being exchanged, but actually the outgoing president Ananya has passed the baton to the new induct. So it is time for the new president and the cabinet to take over. I invite Sandisha ma'am to please introduce the new team.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. Good evening to one and all present here. So where there's a will, there's a way. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. This year is a very exciting opportunity for all of us that opens an all new world of new possibilities. So here we are today, all geared up to start off yet another year dedicated towards social welfare, adopting new and innovative strategies to reach out to the society digitally. Now it's time we launch a new team of cabinet members who have found their way towards community service despite all odds. I'm pleased to announce that Vijeta Panjwani will be heading the team as the president this year. Vijeta is a public speaker, a state-level debater, creative writer, and social science medalist. She was the junior school head girl from her batch and she's also a YouTuber. Congratulations, Vijeta. Vice President Rohit Sharma is a debater, plays football, and is a zonal level cricket player. He has been the vice captain of his house, a model example of brain and brawn. Secretary Pranav Agarwal. He's a Hindi debater and an excellent one at that. Yesterday, both Pranav and Vijeta participated in a debate competition organized by Aaj Tak channel and Vasant Valley School. I would like to inform all of you that both have qualified for the semi-finals to be held tomorrow. All the best, you guys. Vijeta has been awarded as the Best Speaker Award for yesterday and Pranav as the Best Interjector. Moving over. Joint Secretary Vibhuti Saroha is a gold medalist in various Olympiads and an orator who has been honored with title of Best Speaker and is currently the Tilak House captain. We have two treasurers this year as the team is bigger than usual. Chaitanya, he's an orator and a debater, also plays football and has won several matches at different levels. Pavni Khurana is a cook, which I'm sure would be coming in handy nowadays, and a mathematician, also a pianist. Sergeant at Arms Dhairya Dhingra. He's an award-winning classical singer and a musician and has won various prizes under his belt. You've also heard him sing the Gayatri Mantra in his melodious voice some time back. Director, now moving over to the directors now. Director of Vocational Services, Nishita Chauhan. She's a theatre artist, has been a part of the NSD acting course, learned classical music for 2 years. She's pursuing a diploma in fine arts, and after all that, she's also a basketball player and a swimmer. Director, International Services, Ozasvi. She's an actor, an artist, a poet, and has bagged second position for our school in a street play at the district level. Director, Community Services, Yashika Lamba. She's our school's very own mathematician and a silver medalist in abacus. Next, Director, Club Services, Yamini Tiwari. She's the Director of School Cyber Congress, Vice Captain of the Dayanand House, and a prize winner of Hindi poem recitation. Director, Youth Services, Nirali. Has won several prizes in various cooking and dance competitions. She holds a diploma in Kathak, has been training in Kathak since 5 years, and she's also won several trophies in abacus. Moving over to the editorial board, I'm happy to announce that since 2009, our club has its own blog. In fact, we were the pioneers among various Interact clubs of Delhi. Every event is reported in it, and hence the editorial board. We have 3 directors of editorial board this year. Pranay Singhal has been a part of French Spell Bee at the state level, a marathon runner-up from the top 500 at Run for India 2016 and an NSO gold medalist. Vasu Mittal, he's a table tennis player, has cleared NSO level 2 and has participated in various musical concerts. He's also the club photographer this year. Vasu, don't forget to take screenshots today. Director, Editorial Board, Khushi Garg, has won second prize in display board presentations and in Shivir dance competition. And she's also won several prizes in diya making and rangoli competitions. Can we have a huge round of applause for our newly inducted cabinet? Congratulations to the team and good luck for your term. Always remember, no one can help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Let us root for each other and watch each other grow. After all, teamwork makes the dream work. Keep your team spirits high. Over to you, Ritu ma'am. Thank you.
Ritu ma'am, I'll just take a minute. We have with us our immediate Rotary Club's immediate past president, Rotarian Vibhuti Sharma. Welcome, ma'am.
Nice to be here.
Same here, ma'am. She was here, ma'am, last year. Under her able guidance, we had done a lot of projects. So good to see you, ma'am. So, Ritu ma'am, over to you.
Congratulations to the new team and looking forward to a lot of wonderful work. Though, yes, I don't know when we would be able to meet each other personally, but never mind, good work goes on. Now I invite our guest for the day, Mr. Vivek Kataria, past President, Rotary Garden City, and the President 2015-16. Mr. Vivek Kataria's association with Kulachi Hansraj is pretty old and the bonding is very, very warm. He has been associated with us for a very long time, and he has been to many of our ceremonies, installation, and debate, of course, is his forte. And as ma'am had already shared with us, he's a wonderful orator. So let's now give over to Mr. Vivek Kataria to invigorate our new inductees, new team members, new recruits, and please motivate and inspire them with your oratory. Over to you, Mr. Vivek Kataria.
You have to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Okay, is that any better?
Yes, much better.
Right, good afternoon, everyone. Let me prove everyone wrong and show you that I'm not really a very good orator, but I will attempt to make a few points on this fantastic occasion. Kulachi Hansraj President, Principal Srimati Sneh Verma, the Interact Coordinator Seema, Ritu, Samdisha, and others. Outgoing Interact President Ananya Virdi and her team.
I have to send it to, did they send the report?
Vibhuti, could you mute yourself?
Sorry.
If you wouldn't mind? Thanks. Outgoing Interact President Ananya Virdi and her team. Incoming Interact President Vijeta Panjwani and her team. Fellow Rotarians from the Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City. Interactors, friends. First of all, apologies on behalf of our President, Rani Sohinder Nabha. She couldn't attend this afternoon's function because of a personal bereavement. I am happy to be filling in on her behalf and on behalf of our club. This is a very special occasion. We are extremely proud of our association with the Kulachi Hansraj Model School and the Interact Club. Before I give any oratory, I would like to, as Sandeep Khanna and I attended a few years ago, in his term as president, a Rotaract installation. And I, at that time did a little bit of hunting around. So I'm going to ask you guys a few questions as well. If you've heard of the following, just raise your hands like this. Have you heard of Neil Armstrong? Orville Wright of the Wright brothers? Prince Bernhard of the Netherlands? Maybe not. Prince Axel of Denmark? Sam Walton? Ever heard of Walmart? Max Cointreau liqueur? J.C. Penney, founder of the J.C. Penney stores? Sir Winston Churchill? Anyone heard of him? Thomas Edison? Heard of him? Marconi, radio. Holly Compton, I never heard of Holly Compton, but apparently won the Physics Nobel Prize in 1927 or something. Walt Disney, Woodrow Wilson, John F. Kennedy, Gerald Ford, Franklin Roosevelt. Right. You probably guessed it. These are or were all Rotarians. So may I therefore congratulate the Rotarians and interactors present on being in good company. What is a Rotary Club? Today we define Rotary in this way. Rotary is an organization of business and professional persons. That's how it was started. That's how it still remains. But united worldwide, who provide humanitarian service, encourage high ethical standards in all vocations, and help build goodwill and peace in the world. These 31 words are worth remembering when one asks, what is a Rotary Club? Rotary has today broadly 5 areas of service. We all know it, but I'll repeat it. We have club service, we have community service, we have vocational service, we have international service, and we have youth service. Again, to repeat, but it's probably well known, but useful to know, there are about 1.2 million Rotarians in the world today, operating through about 35,000 clubs and in about 200 different countries in the world today. What is an Interact Club? An Interact Club are basically young Rotarians, young people between the ages of 12 and 18. Rotary and Interact enable us to discover the power of service above self, to build leadership skills by interacting and communicating, and thereby hook into the community and into society. There are approximately 350,000 interactors in the world today, operating through about 15,000 Interact clubs in about 145 countries. So, KHMS interactors, you're not alone. There's a big international community out there. There's 15,000 clubs in the world. There's 350,000 people. Rotary International's theme this year is Rotary Opens Opportunities. The Interact Club that the outgoing members are part of, and the incoming, well, you're all members actually. The outgoing team has been part of leading, and the incoming team is now going to lead, essentially has given themselves opportunities. Apart from the activities that you've been involved with, and we saw a whole host of them last year, including blood donation camps and selling Rakis to get funds and various other activities. You could also look at celebrating the global impact of Interact. And if you look up the website, which I did a few minutes before this meeting today, there are very interesting things you could be part of, apart from all that you're already doing, such as World Interact Week, Interact Video Awards, Rotary Youth Day at the United Nations, Global Youth Service Day, etc. Look up the website, it's pretty interesting. I am not going to continue with too long a speech. I would definitely like to record my congratulations to the outgoing team, a leadership team of the interactors over here, for an excellent job done. And the incoming, obviously very accomplished from what we saw, team, who are obviously going to be enthusiastic and involved. It is very interesting to note that our outgoing president and our incoming president are both young ladies. And I presume you're all aware, this was announced, I think, yesterday, that for the first time in Rotary history, there's a lady called Jennifer Jones, Jennifer E. Jones, who has been nominated as Rotary International President nominee. So that's a first. Ananya Virdi, in her speech, mentioned that once an interactor, always an interactor. I'll make a little modification to that, as did Seema. Once an interactor, in future a rotaractor, and then a Rotarian, and then carrying on to be Rotary International President nominee. With that, I'm going to end. We actually have some certificates this year to hand out, which unfortunately cannot be done virtually, but we certainly hope to be able to get these certificates across to you as soon as we can. And once again, I must mention, it's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be giving these few words on behalf of our president and on behalf of our club. All the best to continued success with the KHMS Interact activities, to maybe an expansion of some of those activities, and of course, to having a lot of fun. You've got an excellent mentorship team with Seema and Samdisha and Ritu, and of course, you've got excellent backing from the principal of your school. And of course, we as Rotarians are here, and if we can be of any assistance or if we can be of any motivation, and I know our president is very keen to very quickly interact with all of you, and hopefully will do so in the next few days, we would be delighted to do so. So all the best. We're proud of you. And over back to Seema.
Yeah. Thank you, Ritu, and thank you, Rotarian Vivek ji. It was, as always, pleasure listening to you. And I don't think Ritu said anything wrong when she said you are a wonderful orator. Yes, you are. And our interactors have been getting influenced and motivated by you. So thank you. And I feel, I'm sure that they are feeling much more proud now that they belong to the community, which a legacy they would continue with, of all the leaders and the great known people, renowned people. So thank you so much for reminding us and telling them. So your words of wisdom will be obviously be motivating for them. And now to carry on with the event, we have a pledge now for the interactors. So all the interactors are requested to please raise your, be ready for the pledge and raise your hands and speak after ma'am. So ma'am, may I request Principal ma'am to please administer the pledge.
May I request Rajiv to unmute everyone then, perhaps?
Sir, what we have done is one child will take pledge on the behalf of everybody, because if everybody gets unmuted, so it will, the voice will be very shaky. So our president, Vijeta Panjwani, she is going to take oath on the behalf of the cabinet, and rest everybody will be taking oath with their mics muted.
Otherwise, sir, there will be so much noise, so everybody cannot speak. So Vijeta, can we start? Vijeta, I can't see you.
Sure, ma'am.
I,
Vijeta, have been admitted as the president of the Kulachi Interact Club, sponsored by the Rotary Club, Delhi Garden City, District 3011, for the Rotary year 2020-21, on behalf of my entire cabinet.
I pledge.
I pledge.
And promise to do.
And promise to do.
To do and observe.
To do and observe.
To the best of my knowledge, ability.
To the best of my ability.
Without any mental reservation.
Without any mental reservation.
Or purpose of evasion.
Or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
She said everything.
Actually, I was just saying that.
We do again.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Please. Take up.
I will speak, then you repeat.
Yes,
sure, ma'am. Sure.
I, Vijeta.
Having been admitted.
As the president of the Kulachi Interact Club. Sponsored by Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City. For the Rotary year 2021. Do solemnly. Swear upon my honor. To faithfully. And willingly. Discharge the duties. And responsibilities of my office. I further pledge. To uphold. And defend the Constitution. And bylaws of the Kulachi Interact Club. And that of Rotary International. Ever putting into practice. Rotary's motto. Service above self.
service above self,
and applying the four-way test as the basis of all my action
and actuations to help
advance the object of Rotary, giving emphasis to this year's Rotary theme. Rotary opens opportunities. All these I pledge and promise. Can't you? My voice is not coming, Seema?
Yes, ma'am. It is audible to me, but probably she has lost connection.
Yeah. But she has already did this. I pledge and promise to observe. Okay. So thank you, Vijeta, and congratulations, Vijeta.
Thank you so much.
All the best for the year.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for administering the pledge, and thank you, Vijeta. And for as far as the interactors are concerned, they should remember that today's actions are tomorrow's results. So putting your heart, mind, and soul into your smallest acts, and that is the secret for success. And with this, a formal ceremony is over, and I would like to tell a few things here that we have a blog, ma'am, and in which we update any and every event or in the project that we undertake. And this blog was started by me only. So that was in the year 2009. In fact, we were the pioneers in blogging about the interact activities. So these now also, and second thing I wanted to tell you was that whenever how we induct the new team, we have online Google Forms in which we tell children to fill those forms. And this we started 4 or 5 years back. It was the time when we wanted to save paper, but this time obviously it was a compulsion. So after that, we screen children and talk to their teachers concerned and see how much they are into the community service or how much they are into working for the community. And that's how they have to go through a number of screenings, and then they are selected, one as members and then as post holders. So after all the work that they have done and the effort they have made to be part of the club, congratulations to all of you. I also want to thank at the end to all the Rotarians who are present here, to all the dignitaries of Delhi Garden City, Principal ma'am, our in charges, our headmistress ma'am, who took their precious time to come and grace the occasion and made this virtual installation a real success. So they are all these in charges, all our in charges, Yashu ma'am, Manju ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, and our headmistress Sunita Sinwani ma'am have been a constant source of support. They have been encouraging us, and obviously with the leader. So, Sandisha ma'am, you want to say something?
Sorry to interrupt. Do we have time for a small acceptance speech by Vijeta?
Yeah, please.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I missed out on one event. We have an acceptance speech by our newly inducted president, Vijeta.
Thank you, ma'am. Until covered by a seed, the unborn plant has a sweet slumber. The day it begins to struggle and spread its roots outside, it is exposed to a new reality, a new environment, a new world. The place where it learns to grow in harmony alongside others, with its leaves spread out, exhaling oxygen to the world, and thus making it a better place to live in for all the species. Greetings to one and all present here. I am Vijeta Panjwani. Just as I mentioned above, All of us are like these plants. The day we decide to move out of our shells and spread our roots, that is, our thoughts, to explore the real world, we get to know what it actually looks like. Now, I know we can't provide the universe with oxygen, but I think we all can take up steps to facilitate the entrance of happiness and exit of pain in others' life. And if we do accomplish that, even a little, we surely are on the path of serving humanity. And I see Interact Club as that opportunity for me to enter the realms of social reality. As I thank my school, Kulachi Hansraj Model School, Principal Ma'am, and my Interact Club for this golden opportunity, I delightfully accept the honorable post of President. I assure that this year, in spite of being confined to the boundaries of digital gadgets, me and my team will comply by the Rotary's 2020 theme, Rotary Opens Opportunities, and will sincerely work towards bringing a real change in the world around us. For ensuring the same, we take up our theme, Connecting Virtual World to Social Reality, under which this year we, through our projects, plan to reach to the community through technology. The community that's devoid of basic facilities, especially the population of growing age children, and be the key for them to open the lock that's put over opportunities for them. We, as of now, plan our initial projects to focus upon online mentoring, peer tutoring, learning enabled through technology, online interactive competitions, especially for children in NGOs, orphanages, and if possible, in villages too. We wish to do that via video conferences, recorded audios in pen drives that can be sent to them, etc. We also plan to enhance the lifestyle and environment conditions in urban areas with a few projects like providing various RWAs with self-growing seeds that would be free of cost, webinars for ensuring interaction among youth and reduce depression. We will soon be beginning our club's YouTube channel as well in order to reach out to a bigger audience. Thus, I solemnly pledge to prioritize my community, my people, my work as a fellow human being for other humans, and my club over myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijeta. First of all, apology for kind of missing out on your speech. I'm sorry. And then, as we all heard, and I can actually see on Vijeta's face that she's delighted and excited and all in for undertaking the projects. And once again, I would like to tell you that we did 2-3 days back, there was a competition whereby we had to make a video on plant one, each one plant one. And within a day, the entire team clicked the photographs, made videos, compiled, and we had sent our entry within 24 hours. So I am very glad to have a very strong, energetic, and enthusiastic team. Thank you so much. And once again, I extend my thanks to all present here to grace the occasion. Everybody has taken out their precious time and marked their presence over here. So thank you so much. And as we always in Rotary conclude all our programs with the national anthem. So I would request everyone to rise for the national anthem and Rajiv Taneja to play the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
interactors, both outgoing and the new cabinet. You can leave. I think we can tell them to go, Sandesha ma'am, Mritu ma'am. And
Hello everyone.
Hanji.
All the best to the interactors, and thanks to all the Rotarians, Rotary Club members. Thank you very much.
Very good show. Very well put up. Congratulations to you. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
so much.
Every day we are learning.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. And we do make mistakes and small errors here and there because this is our first virtual installation.
That's okay. That's okay.
So I understand.
Very well done.
Apologies for if anything went wrong. But I think it Hanji ma'am?
Shall we take a leave now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.